Brighten up your garden with sunflowers. They're tall, bold blooms thrive in warm weather, particularly late spring and early summer. Here's what you'll need to grow them. First, choose a location with plenty of space, direct sunlight, and good drainage. You'll want to plant large variety sunflower seeds at least 6 inches apart. Be sure to press the seeds 2 inches deep into the soil, then water. Next, add fertilizer to strengthen the sunflowers at their roots. Water them once a week with 3 to 4 gallons of water. You can add barriers to help grow and protect your sunflowers and protect blooms during windy conditions. They also help protect sunflowers from squirrels, birds, and deer. Also apply a fungicide to prevent common diseases like mold, rust, and mildew. Follow your manufacturer's instructions when performing this step. Lastly, monitor your sunflower's growth in mulch as needed to help retain the soil's moisture. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.